Here's the setup. One controller bound to this drone, the other controller bound to that drone. As long as the other drone and controller are completely off, everything works fine. Turn on this controller and I arm. Et voila. Unarming, no problem. Same thing for the other. Turn these guys off, these guys on. No problem. I arm, works. I disarm. Arm, disarm. Turn these guys off. Leave this one on. Now both drones are on, but this controller is off. I'm gonna turn the left one on. Since both the props are on, I'm gonna hold these for a moment. Arm, and both drones turn on and are controlled by the same controller. Disarm, arm, disarm. If I turn off this controller and turn this one on, the very same thing is going to happen. Arm. The other one doesn't react always. There's a bit of a wiggle thing here. I think I have to play around with the settings on Betaflight in this one, but same problem. This controller now controls both drones. If both controllers are on, it seems that they figure out that something weird is going on and switch channels. Suddenly, well, that's one thing that can happen. Suddenly nothing works. This one now only arms. No, it still arms both. So this has been unpredictable. Sometimes they figure it out and only control one, but often they still will. Either one of them doesn't work at all anymore and the other suddenly controls both, or the other way around, or weird things happen. So not good. So I've tried now a couple of things. First I tried a factory reset on this controller. That did not work, had the same results. So I reflashed the firmware. It still remembers settings after that, so I then did a factory reset. And right now it's not bound, so turning on either of the drones, trying to arm, does nothing. And also with the other one, I tried it earlier. I'm not going to show you now. So now I'm going to rebind this controller to this drone. Let's see if I can do this one-handedly. Put this into bind mode. It's blinking. Go into RX bind. Binding. It is now bound to that drone. Let's see if that works. It arms. Now the big question, will it arm this one? It does not seem to arm this one. So far so good. Let's now see if my other controller, which I have not touched at all, now still controls both. Nope, only the left drone. Let's try this again. Let's turn both on. Arms the right one, arms the left one. Yes, they are truly independent. Hallelujah.